Time now for everybody's favorite segment of the program, a visit by my wife, Jean Edelman. Jean, a student of the healing arts, Reiki, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, and of course, macrobiotic and plant-based cooking. Here's Jean.
It is so good to be here today. Today, I wanted to talk about luck. Do you think that luck brings you what you want and need in your life? I beg to differ. I believe we are all unconsciously setting intentions, and that is what is bringing what we need when we need it. There's a big difference between need and want. We need food, clothing, shelter versus the latest cell phone. When Rick and I started out in our young life together right after college, we set very clear intentions. Now, it took time for all that to come to fruition, but we had very clear intentions of what we wanted in our life. The timing is what trips us up. We think that once we set the intention, it's just going to show up tomorrow. But it is the steps that we take in our life that help our intentions come to be. So Rick and I, we lived in a one-bedroom apartment. We had no furniture. We would spend small amount of money each weekend because that's all that we had in our budget to have entertainment or go out. But we also would carry around, we had a little Matchbox car because one day in our life we wanted to drive a Jaguar. And so I think Rick still has it. But we would dream on the weekends. We would drive around to homes and neighborhoods and we would carry around these Matchbox cars, or we would cut things out of magazines, and they set the picture of the things that we wanted in life. Now, we do know now that it's not so much about the things, but it's the moments. But at that time, when we were young, it was fun, and it really helped us set some intentions. And so today, my word of the week is luck. So the L is to look for the future. As I shared, cut out pictures of things that you want. Carry them around with you. The toy cars, the whatever it is that keeps you focused and helps you remember, because when we wander, which we all do, these pictures, these little toys, they help bring us back to what our plan is. U is for understanding. Understanding that we are in control. We're in control of us. We're in control of our destiny. C is for clarity. When we have a plan, when we have a path, life finds a way to help us and support us stay focused. And K is for kindness, because nothing in our life is ever our time. And so it will arrive when whatever that it is ready. We may think that we're ready, but we're most likely not. And so it has nothing to do with luck. It has everything to do about being prepared, taking the steps, staying focused, finding out what motivates us, and we'll all get there. Have a great day.